I think that I would pitch LSU as definitely a place where you can vent, address community issues on campus or off campus, like in the world, and then a place where like you can like chismear and like just listen to music, have some good food, and be around people who make you feel like you want to be here.
I'm looking forward to bringing in all the new students that are here. So I'm excited to see the first years and the sophomores like get involved in everything that we're doing. And so it'll be nice for them to be able to be a part of the community in these spaces and see that like they can still appreciate the culture there.
I think for one thing is that being a first year especially is, finally having a community and finding, our people in our home, because it's, it's been a struggle adjusting and all of that, but having this club and having like people who look like you and, can enjoy the same things and foods, and it's just la raza, so it's been really nice.
This Friday's event was this annual fall fiesta. We had food, the band called Los Vecinos, and then we had our annual piñata party. So I hope you guys had fun.
It was really cool to have like live music, dancing, but also to really feel the community and see all my friends there. A lot of people I didn't know there too, and not only was it our community from LSU, but also like the entire Oxy community, which was really cool.
This is my first time here, and I walked in and it kind of reminded me of like my fiestas back home. I entered, I see everyone laughing, playing games together, just speaking in Spanish, and it just kind of reminds me of my home.
And another reminder that we need more Latino people on campus. So thank you, everyone.
I think it's really important to have community with people who can relate to you, relate to your stories and your background. I think that's really valuable at a higher education school.
After the pandemic, being at home all the time, I really wanted to branch out and kind of meet more people and be more social. And I really enjoyed the community and working with the e-board and planning all these events and doing things that I felt like had an impact in student life. And I think that this has definitely been one of my most favorite clubs that I've been part of at Oxy.